Hey y'all, thanks for stopping by Design by Kathy. For today's pour, I'm going to use a 12 by 12 canvas. I'm going to be using 3 colors and a swipe color. I'm going to do a swipe. It's going to be a glitter swipe. So I'm hoping that it'll come out how it looks in my head. You never know when you're trying new things. But anyway, I just felt like I needed some sparkle today. So let's get right to pouring. So for this swipe, I'm going to be doing it on a 12 by 12 canvas, and I am going to be using, this is it's copper, kind of rose gold looking copper glitter. The glitter may get lost, initially in the swipe, but I'm hoping that once it dries, it'll show up appropriately. I've also got some rose gold, and I started off thinking I would swipe with the rose gold, but I really think the glitter's lost in there. So again, once it dries, it may just be perfect. And then I have Peacock Teal and Burnt Sienna. So I'm going to get my colors on the canvas. And let's see, how do I want to do them? Each of these are mixed with Floetrol. Actually, it looks like my glitter is going to kind of float around there, so that's good. I'm going to give this another stir. The glitter keeps wanting to stick all over the sides. This is just white, titanium white. Okay, let's start the swipe and see what happens here. I chose my colors based on a palette, my palettes board on Pinterest, which is where, as I've mentioned before, I save different color schemes that just really catch my eye. Already got it dirty. Ooh, so far I'm liking it a lot. Oh yeah, I like the colors. And I think that glitter is going to just dry. And they're really cool. Had some spots along here that just didn't get. There we go. Oh yeah, I'll have to show you a close-up because the glitter is popping up, so I think when it dries it's going to be really pretty. I want to make sure that get that all the way up to my edge. Just going to move it just a little bit. Turn it around here where you guys can see. Oh, that's pretty. I like the colors. I like the glitter. And let me make sure I don't have anything that's going to drip. I've got glitter going on all down in here. I love it. The rose gold is popping up a little bit here and there, so that's cool. Let's see what happens if we use the torch just a little bit. Oh, I like it. Wow. Yeah, no, I don't want to change what's going on down here too much, do I? Yeah, just moving my cells around. Yeah, through the middle, you can really see the rose gold is starting to kind of shine through there, and the glitter looks so cool. Yay! Wow. And I love the burnt sienna and the dark, the peacock teal together. Those colors are just really pretty together. So anyway, you know, I hope that you all enjoyed this and you find it a little useful. If you do, please leave me a thumbs up. And hey, I look forward to your comments. So, you know, if you've got a question or you just want to comment, I certainly appreciate it. Oh, yeah. I still see glitter popping out. I like that. That's a really good thing because I just really wanted it to have that little sparkle in there. But yeah, this is working really pretty. I'm really happy with it. So again, I'm glad you're here. Thanks for stopping by and taking the time to take a look at my video. I certainly do appreciate it. And if you're new to Design by Kathy, I hope that you'll subscribe as well and let me hear about your painting journey. So until next time, don't forget to check out all the links below, and I hope you all have a really wonderful week and weekend, and I'll see you next time.